What up, it's your boy BT Artist, and today I'm going to teach you how I make mac and cheese. Alright, you're going to need these ingredients. It doesn't have to be these ingredients from these exact brands, but these ingredients. Alright, make sure to fill your pot with water, obviously. Don't forget to salt your water. Then turn that hoe up on high. I'm impatient, that's why I turned it up on high. Enjoy your coffee while you wait for that water to boil. Once you have your water at a nice boil, put those noodles in. I use cavatappi because that's my preferred noodle shape. The noodles I own, the instructions said 8 minutes for al dente, so that's what I'm doing. Once your noodles are done boiling, make sure to dump them out and set them to the side. I start by making a roux. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter and then however much flour till I get to this consistency. We're gonna make a light roux, so set that to about 3 to 5 minutes. I always do 5 minutes just to make sure. And then we're cooking on medium-low heat. Once your roux is done, make sure to take it off the heat and then add half and half to it. Make sure that half and half is unsweetened as well. Mix the half and half in with the roux and make sure it's a yellowish color before you put it back on the heat. Once the half and half and roux mixture is back on the heat, make sure to whisk it every so often, as well as making sure once it gets to a simmer, you start seasoning it. Now, once the half and half roux mixture with the seasonings is a nice thicker consistency, take it off the heat again and add the cheeses. Now, you're gonna add all the cheeses that are in this recipe, and you can change it up if you want, and then it's gonna look like this ugly, like gelatinous thing. The mixture is not gonna look like this for long because you're gonna add a little bit of milk to make sure it gets to this kind of thinner batter kind of texture. Then you're gonna place it back on the heat and make sure to stir and whisk it while it's on the heat so it doesn't clump up. I always save a little bit of sauce for later to use it for fries or nachos or anything like that. Now, I may have made a mistake and forgotten to show me putting the cavatappi into the cheese sauce, but we're gonna skip ahead. This next part is optional, but you can top it with a little bit of extra cheese and put it in the oven to broil. If you don't want to do that, it is perfectly fine to eat it straight off of the stove top, maybe just let it cool a little bit. Now, the mac and cheese should have that gushy gushy sound, and it is good to eat. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know if you're gonna use the recipe. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And BT Artist out.